Hi guys, I'm Dr. Jordan Axe, and I specialize in getting to the root cause of chronic pain. And a big question people are asking is, what are the best kinds of stem cells? And there's three forms that you can actually get stem cells. The first is from healthy C-sections. They take the umbilical cord and the amniotic tissue and actually extract stem cells. This is a great source because they are brand new young stem cells that are vibrant and replicating. Okay? The second type is from adipose. They actually take a little bit of your fat and they put it through a process and they culture it and they create more stem cells. This is another great way because it is your own stem cells. But on the flip side, they are older stem cells. So again, when you listen to the public, you're going to get different opinions on this. And they're going to say, oh, but they're your own, they're much better. And then the other people are going to say, well, they're older, so they're not going to replicate as quickly. From my experience, all of these different kinds of stem cells have pros and cons. But from what I've seen, they've all been extremely effective at getting you the results that you're looking for. Now, the third type actually comes from your bone marrow. And this is another great place to get stem cells. The downfall with this, compared to adipose, is it's a little bit painful compared to the adipose. So again, it just depends what you're looking for. They're all very effective, but it really comes down to a pain factor, cost factor, and a time factor. But again, you can't go wrong with either one. Find a clinic that does the kind that you would like for the right price, and I guarantee you're going to get the results that you're looking for. And if you just want to learn more about this, we do a seminar about once every month or two, just educating the public on stem cells, knee pain, chronic pain, and how it all works together to getting you moving better, feeling better, and making the right financial choice. So again, please join us for a seminar and share this video to anyone that is looking into stem cells and trying to educate themselves. Thanks, guys.